What's going on, my YouTubers? This is Bruster right here, back with another vid. On this video right here, we'll be going over the Dynamite large scale safety kill switch that we'll be installing on the 5T. Right here, this was the old iKilly 2 kill switch that wasn't working for some reason, so ended up taking this off, brought a new Dynamite kill switch that I'll be installing. I had to make some connectors for this right here, as you can see right here. These were the original connectors right there, so I made some for this Dynamite. Of course, they came like this. This is the original, so I had to take off these tubes. They were looking like this. Crimp these on right here, and then I'll put this down here and connect these two right here. What else we got going on? I already took off the radio box to make things easier. So this is the kill switch right up in here. I've ran some of it under there already. Make the wiring neat. So I'm hooking this up. Just giving you guys a quick overview before I get everything installed. So yeah, this is it. We'll just be hooking up this kill switch. So give me a second, we'll be right back. Okay, we back. And we got the kill switch installed. Original kill switch down in there. There, you can see it. There it goes. Down there. Oops. The original kill switch. I don't know why they put it down here. You can't get to it. But yeah, we got the kill switch installed. Get it over here for you guys. I'll drill a hole up in here somewhere. Try to get this off. I don't know why they put that up there. But yeah, it's installed. Got the wire up. I'll fix that. Let you guys see it real quick. Oh. This on. Yeah, we got a light on. That means we're good to go. Hit this with a remote for you guys. Turns it off. Kills it right there. This is on, and then we're ready to go. And you can get this right here. We'll turn this off. So we can do both at the same time. We'll try to turn, if I can get both of these done at the same time. So we'll turn this off. See, it kills the switch, kills the engine. Turn it back on. Comes back on, so you know it's working. All is working. It's working like it should be. Other than that, just gotta, I'll probably drill a hole up in here for the light. Put the top and everything back on. But other than that, Dynamite kills the stall. Now all we need to do is get some gas. Put some gas in and crank this bad boy up. Peace and milk.